Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to add chapters to YouTube video manually. If you have uploaded a video on YouTube and you have discussed about a lot of different things and you want to mention them, so people could specifically go to that part and listen to that. So I'll show you how easily you can do it manually. So first you just have to simply open up your YouTube channel and make sure you have already uploaded a video. If you have not uploaded, then don't worry, you can just simply upload the video and then you have to simply go to the content section. Once you get to the content in your YouTube studio, then you will see that video, you will see that pencil icon along with that video. So you just have to simply click onto it and you will be into the video where you can edit it. Now you have to simply go to your description section and you have to manually type your chapters. If you want, you can give it any sort of heading if you would like. It is not necessary, but it's up to you. Then you have to make sure here three things. The number one is the first chapter should always start with the 0 seconds. If you do it 0:01, it would not work. And you have to add at least three chapters. Let's say the video start at 0, so you have to mention the 0 seconds and you can type it intro. The next part could be anything, whatever you think is the right option for it, you can just simply type it here. Make sure you add at least three. Also, two chapters have must difference of at least 10 seconds. If it is under 10 second, like the number one chapter is 0 second, the other chapter is 0.5 seconds, then chapter would not work. So here I have already created my chapters before, so I have pasted it. You can get the idea. This is how it all works. You can create as much as you would like to, and at the last just simply save the video, and after that the chapters would be added. Now you can go and watch your YouTube video, but there are chances that the chapters will not be added immediately. It takes some times, but once that time passes, you will see the chapters will be added to your video. So here you can see in the description we have the chapters, and if you click onto any one of these timings, it will take you to that part. So that's how it all works. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you're new to this channel, then make sure to subscribe it for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching the video.